Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: carrier IMS support, an active plan, and updated firmware. Once those are confirmed, back up your settings and reboot the phone. Then put the device into airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off then on to clear transient radio states. While rebooting, check APN and SIP settings so you don't waste time later. Make sure you have a stable LTE signal before proceeding to deeper diagnostics and registrations. Now you diagnose why IMS fails to register. You open diagnostics or use the hidden code to inspect IMS, SIP, and RCS logs. Look for 401, 403, or timeout errors. Next, confirm APN entries for IMS. Correct MMSC, proxy, and IP type. IP4 versus IP6 mismatches often break registration. Once done, clear the carrier service's cache and force-stop IMS-related apps. Then reinitiate registration. This verifies whether the problem is configuration or an authentication. Finish by applying fixes. Perform a network settings reset or reprovision the SIM from carrier settings to trigger IMS credentials refresh. If that fails, consider reflashing carrier firmware or an approved vendor patch. Make sure you follow official images. After re-registration, test calls and RCS messages. If problems persist, capture detailed logs with timestamps and error codes, then contact your carrier support so they can trace IMS signaling. One key tip: always include
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.